Kia ora koutou e te whānau and nau mai, haere mai. Welcome to my little short heads up. Hopefully it's only about 2 minutes. How am I going to do this? First of all, thanks for coming. I look forward to seeing your WERO. Hey, think about it. At a time like this, it's good that we can keep it positive. Keep it light. Oh, there's my word, KISS. Keep it short, keep it simple, keep it safe. Use simple words in this KUPU ho. The focus is on KUPU ho. He, pene. Pene. So if we're doing instructional, think of our audience. If you're pitching to a beginner's audience or children's, he, kuri, tēnei, really get involved. Invite them to say the word. It's all about the word. It's important for your pronunciation, enunciation, and intonation. So pronouncing the words properly. He parawa. So get all the sounds in there. Macrons matter, and they will help you with the pronunciation. Enunciation is to do with clarity. So if you're saying a word to the whānau, puka puka, make sure they hear it all, and that's the enunciation. The intonation is to do with the lowering and the higher pitch of the voice. So it's like, tēnā koe, so you can change tēnā koe into tēnā koe or tēnā koutou, and that's your intonation. But most of all, hey, this could be level 1. It's all about the KUPU ho, but it is also good to say, if you're asking the question of the young ones, he aha tēnei, he aha ēnei, he mōwhiti, mōwhiti, and we're focused on the word, mōwhiti, and try and engage your audience. Keep it light, keep it fun, keep them engaged. So even though you're coming in to do this as a WERO, I'd like to be able to share some of them if you let me. And if you'd like me to do that, I'd like you to send me a copy through Messenger as well as when you post up. And that tells me that you're okay with me to share it. But as you know, if we're coming across as teachers, we have to be correct in our pronunciation. So work on it. If you have objects or things that are different, talk to me about it. I'll message with you and we'll get it to fit you. There should be a little template down the bottom to keep it simple. Introduce yourself. Kia ora tātou e te whānau ko te Umuariki mai ahau no tūhoi, kahungunu ruapani e mihi ana ki a koutou. Nō reira tēnā koutou. Nau mai haere mai ki te WERO, Hinengaro. Me o na tikanga he KUPU ho. Nō reira, whakarongo, titiro, kōrero mai. And just be warm and inviting, and even if this isn't, I hope you get the gist of what I'm trying to say. I don't know how long this has taken, but I'll take a little bit more to finish off. Macrons matter. If you've got a word with a macron in, it matters. I can't think of any. Rākau. Rākau. Āpōpō. Take mental note of the macron and let the audience hear it too. Remember, you're teaching a new word, not a sentence. The KUPU ho. He pene. Pene. And it won't get too caught up in the sentences yet, but wait for round 2, and we have some other things coming where we can elaborate on that. He pene tēnei, he karera, he pango, ngā tai, or tēnei pene. So it gets a little bit complicated. Keep it simple, keep it short, keep it fun. This wasn't even 2 minutes. I think it's more like 4. That's it. And remember, we're putting out a positive energy to the whānau who see these. We've got some more stuff coming up for the other WERO. I look forward to it. If you've got a character, if you're the queen, if you're teaching the children, or if you're Taniwhāti, the teacher, remember who you're pitching to. And I look forward to it. I'm going to leave it at that. I'm going to trust the process, and I trust you all well. Much love. Love to the whānau. Tihei. Mauri ora.